How to add volume button on the menu bar for macOS Big Sur. If you want to do this, go with the cursor on the top right control center icon. Click on the control center. Here you will see a list of options that you can control directly on the Mac. For you to add the volume button on the menu bar on macOS Big Sur, click on the volume zone and drag it on the menu bar where you wish to place it. Now you can get easy access to the volume command. You can easily increase the sound volume now directly here. Also, you can select the sound device used. But what if you wish to change the place of the volume or remove it from the menu bar on macOS Big Sur? For you to move the icon or remove it, go again on the control center icon. Now click the volume again, and when you try to drag it to the menu bar, it will disappear. You can now move it on another place or just remove it. This is how you add or remove the volume on macOS Big Sur. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.